Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you something that just got dropped off at our shop. Very, very rare. It's a 1924 Lafrance Fire Truck, and it's what they refer to as a ladder truck. So this has been in service many, many years ago, and it's BFD, which is Belleville Fire Department. So this is still owned by the fine people in Belleville, and we're going to be doing a restoration on this truck. So we've been wanting to do a rare fire truck for quite some time. So the front end's been apart, the original engine is gone. Someone's done some modifications to it to try to put a more modern 4.3 V6 in it. It's not going to work. We'll share with you another video. We basically it came in on a float. We brought it in. We're going to do some measuring, and we have some ideas. I think we're going to go probably with a straight 6 Chevrolet engine. We've got a turbo 350 automatic in it now, but the mock-up, whoever tried to do it, it's just all wrong. So this is just basically sharing with you. It was dropped off. This is just sitting in place. It was removed, so this is just kind of floating right now. We wanted to see what we have for spacing. So you can see there's a lot of detail work. This is all hand painted on. It's obviously been painted a couple of times, it looks like, but a lot of detail, all by hand. So what we're going to do, we're going to take pictures of all of this and document it all. Same thing here on the side pieces. You can see where they've got some design here, really nice detail work. They've got some pinstriping in a lot of areas. So we're going to document all of that. We're going to replicate it all. You can see it's got the big spotlight on top, the wooden steering wheel, which we're going to recondition. And really neat, we've got the open seat here, which you don't certainly see this every day. We'll be able to reupholster all of the material. So we'll do a lot of the detail stuff on it. We'll make notes of all this. You can see where it says Belleville on the side. The wooden running boards have been removed, and we have all of the original ladders. So this is a specific ladder truck, really long wheelbase. So we basically, it's going to be a multi-purpose vehicle. It's going to be in parades, and if we have we're going to modify the back. We'll share with you later, because we're probably going to have a custom-made section for it for coffins if it's going to have a service. And we'll have to modify some things, but still have the ladders. So it's quite a robust frame. The fenders are damaged in quite a few spots, especially on that other side. We'll share with you later on. So it's been bent and some rust spots on it, but very, very robust frame. And then we come along the back. It's quite long. I'll give you a measurement next time around. There'll be folks that are really keen on these. You can see the big rear diff, the rear pot. It's got the embossed international logo on that back pot. Heavy, heavy rear end and suspension. The steel is all quite substantial. Lots of detail work. So it's pretty rare. It's quite a rare vehicle, and we're happy to have it. We're going to work with the people because the actual cost of the restoration we haven't figured out yet, but we've got the neat basket up above to carry items and hoses and that sort of thing. Here's our fuel tank is back here in behind, and then we've got some missing floor stuff, but pretty good shape overall. It's going to need some metal work, but we thought we'd just give you a little bit of a teaser. Pretty rare truck. So it's a 1924 Lafrance Fire Truck, and I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.